Huge thanks to Nationwide for sponsoring today's video.
Hello! All right, so we're married.
Yep.
We're in business together.
Check.
We get pretty crafty together.
Oh, yeah.
We can't eat our crafts.
No, we cannot. Actually, but okay, good segue, because today's makeover recipient is Val and Zach. They are husband and wife duo, and at their wedding, they made a homemade peanut butter for everybody. It was like a wedding favor, and it was such a hit with all their guests, they decided to turn it into a home business.
I'm Val Fishbane.
I'm Zach Fishbane.
And we're with Spread the Love. So back in 2013, Zach and I got married and we gave away 150 jars of homemade peanut butter to our wedding guests. After the wedding, so many people were asking for more homemade peanut butter from us that we started a business together. So when COVID started, pandemic hit, we had to homeschool our kids.
We've had to transform from an office-based business into really a home-based business. The home office is going to be essentially the executive office. But this is gonna be where we can work, have our calls, this is where we can have meetings.
And at the same time, we have to be able to have our kids in here, and we would like some visitors, some clients of ours to come over as well and, you know, have Zoom meetings here.
Like every business out there, the pandemic really impacted them. They reached out to us because they needed help after moving out of their physical office spaces to create the perfect home-based office solution in their converted garage.
We gotta make it cute. We are working with Nationwide today to help them get this done for free, which is amazing. Catch is, guys, they are doing it all themselves. Well, okay, we're designing it, we're sending everything to them, we're going to be guiding them, but they are going to physically get it done. Husband and wife, business duo, together duo. Yeah!
Let's see how their couple skills are.
Woo.
So we have this very light green, I would like to call it perhaps like some kind of
Light mint.
basil mint. Sure, we got this. And this is definitely more of your...
Oh, very white.
This is definitely the white. So I'm assuming that since there's twice as much white as this basil mint, that we are going to be using this on the accent wall.
I think that's a very intelligent guess, but let me just text Joey
Yeah, let's confirm this.
to make sure what he wants us to do with that.
So in order to not overwhelm them, but also to keep this makeover sort of a surprise for them, we're only giving them the projects in steps, right? So first it's paint.
There's just a basic gray on the walls right now. We really want to freshen it up, brighten it up with a beautiful crisp white. And then on the longest wall, we sent them a beautiful light sage green color. They are going to do that all along that wall. And then there's also some shelving units. We're gonna have them paint that same color.
I think you gotta do Joey 2 rolls.
All right.
You ready?
All right, I'll give it my best. All right, Joey 2 rolls. I see you. Zach of all trades coming at you, you know, do what I can around the house.
This is Zach and Val's converted garage. So their hope is to also be able to welcome guests if they want into a convertible sleeping space. So we've got the long wall that is going to be painted green. That's going to be the desk area with some beautiful shelving for their product. And then in the other little part of the L, that is going to be the seating area where they can welcome some prospective clients or just sit and lounge there if they want to work there. We have a really exciting coffee table we are planning to send them. That is a very sneak peek for you guys to see of some of our upcoming furniture pieces. Oh my gosh!
All right, we're gonna call Zach now and check in. Hi!
Hi guys!
Are you guys feeling good? Are you excited?
Yeah,
we're
so
excited.
excited.
I can, you know, it's just the beginning, but we can start to see your vision coming together. We're really excited.
Oh yeah?
Whoa, that's early to see it. Okay.
Kate's gonna go hang out with our kid real quick. I just wanna talk to you guys real quick. So we're partnering with Nationwide on this. Their whole thing is like, they're always on your side. So obviously the goal with this whole thing was to give back to a small business. You guys are such like a cool story, a family-owned small business couple. Me and Kate have a soft spot in our hearts for that. And also just your message as a brand, it's just awesome. So we're just thrilled to be able to do this with you. So Val and Zach's story is just such a great story of the entrepreneurial spirit and perseverance and their ability to just take a creative idea and really follow through and turn it into a business is just such an inspiring thing. And this home office is just gonna be so helpful for them to be able to continue to develop this brand that they're dreaming of.
So I wanted to talk to you about a mural for you guys. I'm gonna send you a diagram. I'm thinking kind of like sort of shapes in a very earthy color palette. A very sort of nut butter color palette, if you will. Yeah. This room is L-shaped, so in order for them to have a space for working and also a space for entertaining or lounging, I wanted to do a conversation area in one spot and then the desk and shelving area in another. So we've got the beautiful green painted wall that's going to anchor the desk area, but over in the little alcove of the L, I want them to do a hand-painted mural. So I'm so excited. I'll be sending you all of your little diagrams and how-to stuff for the mural very soon, and I can't wait to see what you do. So I'm just drawing up this mural. I'm doing sort of a paint by numbers corresponding to the little sample size paints that we sent them, and I drew it up just really keeping in mind something simple for them to do. So this mural is all inspired by their story, by their brand. Their whole brand itself is all about handmade, hand-done, artisanal, from the heart. So I really made sure that there were just some simple images and shapes that could really represent the story.
Okay, I just got this text from Kate, and she drew the mural and added some notes that explains what these little symbols are. This is so beautiful, Kate. Thank you.
Nationwide is on your side.
So we're giving them sort of a custom built-in situation by hacking together a couple different pieces of furniture, but they're gonna paint these bookshelves the same color as the sage accent wall, and then those are gonna go against that wall to surround their future desk area.
I believe this is an accent chair, as they say in the industry. Did I say that right?
Yes.
So part of the process of this space is creating an area in this room that someone can sleep in. So we are giving them our new Neely futon in gray velvet. It's super comfortable, works for a great couch, but also converts down into a futon. So this is a solution to have a conversation area, but also at night have a sleeping area. What's
Hello.
up?
Hey,
Hi,
Joey.
good morning.
The place is coming together really nice.
We've been, putting together some of the shelves and stuff. It looks great.
I can start to see what this is going to look like.
Let's just walk through what's gonna happen now. This is happening in 3 installments, right? It was like the big things, it was like paint, put the furniture together, all that stuff. Now it's sort of
The
floor
layout.
plan. And then once we get floor plan done, once you guys get everything placed, then Kate will walk you through final styling.
Okay, so here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna put the rug down kind of centered in that little nook, right? The like L of the room. So that's gonna be like what we're gonna call your conversation area, your space where you can sit, lounge, sit on a sofa that also transforms into a futon if you're ever welcoming
we're
guests.
actually sitting on the futon. We also put that together.
Oh, cool.
Oh, great.
Well, that's so cool that's your own brand.
I love that.
Yeah.
It's nice, very nice.
Oh, good. I'm
Cool.
so glad. Yeah, that one's really comfy. So you're gonna place that, so the back is to the mural wall. And then you're gonna place your coffee table, which we're really excited about this piece. We went back and forth about whether or not to use this because it is like one of our newest samples, but it is a lift top coffee table in a terrazzo finish, which is like so chic.
I love terrazzo.
Yay!
I probably love it.
You're gonna love it. So then you're gonna place opposite to that your two rattan accent chairs you guys got. So then let's move over to the work area. So this is gonna be really a cool space.
And the goal obviously is for this to be a great setup for like video conferencing and stuff like that, using your TV as like the monitor. Have you ever like mounted a TV or anything like that?
Oh, I have. I have in our previous place.
Val.
Val's not sure.
I'm always afraid of like not finding the stud.
Yeah, that's easy. We can help you with that. Let's just start with getting everything placed and then go over how to mount everything. All right, we'll talk to you soon.
Yay!
All right, bye.
Go team!
Over the past year, we've all really had to recalibrate sort of what our home environment means to us and how we're utilizing that space. Nationwide really wanted to be a part of this project because they really are more than just an insurance company. They're here to protect your home, your car, your family, including your pets, and your future. And for Val and Zach, we really wanted to just make sure that we are setting up their future for success by creating this home office environment. They can get their work done, but also still be right there with their kids all day. So it's a big project, but they're doing great so far. So what I want you to do is I want you to push those bookcases against the wall. We want the shelf to go about a foot below the top of the dresser units.
Alright, so the trick too is going to be your switches.
Yeah, okay, so like that's probably good right there.
Yeah, that fits.
All right, so let's get the stud finder.
Ferrous metal.
Okay, keep going.
Wood.
Okay, so let's mark that one. Go all the way to the edge of the bookshelf. Yeah, and just come all the way back to that mark you just made.
Wood.
Okay, mark it. All right, so I video chatted with Val and Zach to get their shelf and their TV mounted. I got them as far as finding the studs in the wall at least. They should have everything they need to do it. Really the hard part is just finding your studs. The rest is just screwing things in.
Bam.
Woo-hoo. Yeah, Zach.
Alright, and look, it's like perfectly in these circles.
You
Just
did it.
Killing the hanging shelf game. Oh yeah, got wood. Oh, huge.
The big stuff has been placed, they followed the floor plan to a T, and now it is time to get this room styled. They've got plants, peanut butter, and me blowing up their phone.
Hello.
Hello, oh my gosh, look at
Hi,
this.
Kate. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm so good. So excited for today.
Okay, so this is gonna be the styling time now. We have those amazing shelves that you guys set up. So the goal is to have it display your product, but in a homey, designed way. And I think the trick with styling shelves is to alternate kind of odd and even numbers of things. So it's almost like you're creating like a diamond pattern. Like if something's like featured in the middle on one shelf, then below it kind of goes out and maybe there's two things and then down goes back down to a diamond. And then over on the sort of kitchen island, we're calling it, right? That entry table. In order to really maximize this multi-use space, I wanted to give them a kitchen island of sorts. It's basically just a counter height table that is going to just set off of the kitchen counter that they have there in their little kitchenette area. And this will allow them to have additional counter space. I thought what would be fun there is to almost call it like your tasting station. So like maybe you're testing out new product, like that's where you can kind of have it be part of like the kitchen section.
I love that.
kinda had
So
like a little-
thoughtful.
like
we
a little
really do
spread.
do a lot of tastings.
So, I can imagine. And then on the coffee table, let's do maybe another little tray and a small plant. You know, keep it simple because obviously we want that to be able to be like liftable and all of that. Yeah. If you have any questions, of course, I'm available. Text message. I can't wait for the big reveal.
Sounds good. We're ready.
Talk soon.
Thank you.
Bye.
So in our home office, I've always wanted to have kind of like a grocery shelf feel where people can see our products like up on the shelf. So beautiful.
It's very inspiring in there.
Yeah.
It's a place where I think we'll look forward to working every day.
Yeah.
Oh, so nice.
I'm so excited for Kate and Joey to see the room.
All right, it is time for the big reveal. I haven't even seen it all put together yet. I've only seen texted photos here and there. So let's all remember what it looked like before.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, you guys look so official.
I love how our home office looks. The natural wood and all the plants there. It's so inspiring to work.
I think it's incredibly important that while running a business, we have that creative space and where we have that good flow, that good energy to
Good
do
feng
what we
shui,
do.
yeah.
It's really on brand too.
Yeah.
It's got the colors, it's got the good vibe. And you know, we're hard workers and this was certainly no exception. We rolled up our sleeves and I think we knocked it out.
You guys were so amazing and your story's awesome. We're so excited to watch you continue to grow your company. Obviously, huge thanks to Nationwide for partnering with us on this video.
It was a special experience for sure. You know, we put a lot of work into it and I really think that all this effort helped make our house more of a home.
Awesome. Well, you guys are awesome and enjoy the space.
We will.
Sounds good. Wishing you guys continued success. Thanks again for the opportunity.
Thank you, you guys too. We'll be enjoying our peanut butter and jellies over here.
That's what I like to hear.
All right, guys, they did so good. The room turned out so great.
Another virtual design check, and it looked.
Careful, careful, careful. Moon's dusting.
Oh yeah, he's dusting.
Huge thank you to Nationwide for sponsoring today's episode. Nationwide is on your side. Check out link in the description to find out more about their products, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Yay! Yay, Zach and Val. Cheer them on in the comments below, and we hope that you guys got inspired to do your own spaces, because that's what's so cool about these virtual designs is you can really see that people who've never decorated before can do it. You guys can do it. You can do it too. We'll see you next time. Stay creative, stay weird, stay you because I not. Bye.
Stay creative, stay weird, stay you.
Okay.